Happy evening, friends. Welcome to Invest World and Harvest Session 5. Here we are going to give the highlights on some of the stocks received, and let's get into the session. Disclaimer: this session is for educational purpose. Any trade initiated should consult with your financial advisor. We are not responsible for any loss or gain. First stock received on Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise current rate is at 1,506. And first resistance placed at 1,623 and second resistance placed at 1,707. First support placed at 1,448, second support placed at 1,351. And this 52-week low is 250 and 52-week high is 1,017.20. Next stock is on Akshar Chemicals. Current price is at 424.60 and first resistance placed at 474. Second resistance placed at 516.85. First support is at 374 and second support is placed at 340. And 52-week low is 1,197.15 and 52-week high is 497.70. And next session, actually this stock I considered for a buy, so I have given a green symbol here. So next stock is on Alembic Pharma. Current price is 746 and first resistance placed at 865.10 and second resistance at 944.20 and first support placed at 730.80 and second support placed at 707.60 and 52-week low is 720.35. It's very near. Just 2-3 days back, it visited near around 730 levels. And 52-week high is 1,145. Next stock is on Alok Industries. At current price is at 22.05. And first resistance place at 25.25 and second resistance place at 28.50. And first support is placed at 21.05 and second support is at 20.25. 52-week low is 18.65 and 52-week high is 35.80. Next stock is on Apollo Tricord. Current price is 1,584.85 and first resistance placed at 1,687. Second resistance placed at 1,886. First support is at 1,471 and second support is at 1,360. 52-week low is 507 and 52-week high is 1,757. I sense this stock may fall to 936 levels. This is the levels I have marked here. And advise to the investors who are holding the stock to book the profits here. Because this stock is run up from around 200 levels to 1,700 levels in just 1 year. This is appreciated more than Tata Steel, which has been appreciated. But I don't think this stock will move further from here and advise to book profit here. Next stock is on Aptus Value Housing. And this price is at 355.20 current price. And this stock is new listed just 2 weeks back, I think. Sorry, not 2 weeks back, 1 week back. And this 52-week high is 359 and 52-week low is 333. And we cannot get any more details because of this new stock. So I cannot comment on this stock anymore. Next stock is on Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank current price is 276.10 and first resistance placed at 297. Second resistance placed at 312 and first support is at 251.40. Second support is at 230.05. 52-week low is 251 and 52-week high is 430. Next stock is on Bank of Baroda. Current price is 74.55 and first resistance place at 85.50. Second resistance place at 93.80. First support is at 70.80 and second support is at 67.15. And 52-week low is 39 off and second 52-week high is 99.85. Next stock is on BF Utilities. Current price at 390.45. First resistance place at 433.65 and second resistance 485.80. First support placed at 361.35 and second support is at 343.30. And 52-week low is 215.15 and 52-week high is 539. Next stock is on BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals. Current price at 54.20. First resistance place at 61.65 and second resistance at 68. First support place at 50.05 and second support is placed at 26.75. Second support is at 47.50 and 52-week low is 26.75 and 52-week high is 79.55. Next stock is on Biocon. Biocon current price is at 346.70. First resistance place at 386.20 and second resistance at 423. First support placed at 330 and second support is at 315.50. 52-week low is 327. Just 2-3 days back it made low. And second 52-week high is 487.75. And 12th stock on Centrum Electronics. Centrum Capital. Centrum Capital's current price is at 34.30. First resistance place at 39.45 and second resistance place at 50.50. First support is at 29.55 and second support is at 26.50. 52-week low is 13.6 and 52 high is 58.50. Next stock is on Future Consumer. Current price at 6.70 and first resistance at 7.60. Second resistance at 9.20. First support is at 5.85. Suppose this stock falls below this first support, you can exit immediately because it may see more downfall. 52-week low is 5.85 and 52-week high is 12.60. Next stock on Godavari Power, GPIL. Current price is 1136 and first resistance placed at 1261 and second resistance at 1383 and first support is at 1048 and second support is at 977. First support 52-week low is 267 and second 52-week high is 1848. As power sector, all stock is running up. This stock is expected to move further. Recently, it made our low of 1048 2 days back. You can see it in previous session. It made a low of 1030. Next question on Happiest Minds. Happiest Minds, I suggest to book the profits here. And current price is 1413.90 and first resistance at 1478, second resistance 1580, first support price at 1244.25 and second support at 1135.10. 52-week low is 5307 whereas 52-week high is 1580. The gap of 52-week high and 52-week low is very vast because it recent last year September only it listed. Not even 12 months. This stock has been run up 5x times. So I advise to book the profits, and this stock may fall to 1000 levels. even 930 also. You can see a gap here. And yesterday I provided the levels in the group also. And next question is on HCL Infosys. Current price is 12.55 and first resistance placed at 15.80. Second resistance at 18.35. First support placed at 11.80 and second support is at 10.65. 52-week low is 7.05 and 52-week high is 21.75. Next question is on India Bull Real Estate. Current price is 1135.45 and first resistance at 162.90, second resistance at 179.90. First support is at 125.50 and second support is at 105. 52-week high low is 43.6 and 52-week high is 174.75. Next question is on IDFC Bank. Current price is 42.50. First resistance place at 52.45 and second resistance at 61.90. First support is at 39.20 and second support is at 36.80. 52-week low is 26.85 and 52-week high is 69.30. Next question is on India Pesticides. This also the stock has been listed very recently. And current price at 309.05 and first resistance place at 331.30, second resistance at 345. And as it is, the stock is lying at near 52-week low, which is at 301. And first support is placed at 302.90. Suppose the stock falls below 302.90, we can immediately exit because you may see a free fall in the stock. 52-week low is 301 and 52-week high is 368. Next question is on Likita Infra. Current price is at 367.30. First resistance at 389.95. Second resistance at 417.05. First support is at 332.60 and second support is 314.10. 52-week low is 125 and 52-week high is 480. And this stock has been listed just last year in month of November. Last year November. And I gone through this quarterly results of this stock, and this is very appealing. So I may consider, if I am supposed to buy, I may consider buying at this support 332 levels. And next stock is on Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki current price is at 6,624.85 and first resistance place at 7,147, second resistance at 7,457, first support at 6,570, second support is at 6,411. And 52-week low is 6,270 and the stock is near the 52-week low range. And 52-week high is 8,329. And this is the 52-week high, but as all-time high is around 9,900 levels. And next stock is on NHPC. NHPC current price is at 26.50 and first resistance placed at 28.15. Second resistance at 29.80 and first support placed at 25.25 half and second support placed at 24. 52-week low is 19.7 and 52-week high is 27.60. Next question on Power Grid. This stock, they recently gave a bonus in the month of July. So this price, you can see it is the adjusted price. So the current price is at 174.35. First resistance is at 184.70. Second resistance at 198.90. First support at 162.60. Second support at 155.40. This adjusted price 52-week low is 115.95 and high is 188.65. Next question is on RBL Bank. RBL Bank current price is 162.75 and first resistance is at 182.80, second resistance at 209. First support plate at 156.10, second support is at 142. 52 week low is 155.60 and 52 high is 274. Just 2 days back, the stock made 52 week low. Next question is on Sandur Manganese. This stock price is at 1716.30. First resistance is at 1914.40 and second resistance is at 2099.55. And first support is at 1600. Second support is at 1467. 52 week low is 650 and 52 week high is 2260.25. Next question is on SJVN. SJVN current price is at 26. First resistance placed at 28.30. Second resistance 29.80. First support is placed at 24.20 and second support is at 22.30. 52 week high is 20.65 and 52 week low is 20.65 and 52 week high is 30.80. Next question is on SW Solar. This is Sterling and Wilson. Current price is 314.90 and first resistance placed at 332.90. Second resistance at 365.60. First support is at 280.50 and second support is at 268.20. 52 week low is 183.50 and 52 week high is 343.80. Next question is on Tranfac Industries. Current price is 471.55. First resistance placed at 494.95. This stock made yesterday it made 10% high. 10% high and first resistance I can see at 494.90. Because of this stock made recent high, I couldn't trace any next levels. It has given a breakout at 402 levels. If I want to buy this stock, I will buy at 402 to 410. And first support is the plate at 402.65 and second support is at 344.40. 52 week low is 162.60. 52 week high is 471.55, which is made yesterday. This is the stock price of 52 week high. Next question is on Tirumalai Chemicals. Tirumalai Chemicals is given a cup and handle pattern. This stock price is at 202.15 and first resistance at 225.25. Second resistance at 244.20. First support plate at 179. Second support is at 157.10. 62.40 is the 52 week low and 52 week high is 210.70. And I have given a green mark here so you can understand it. Next question is on Union Bank of India. Current price is at 34.15 and first resistance placed at 39.40. First second resistance at 41.45. First support is at placed at 32.15 and second support is at 31.50. 52 week low is 23.10 and 52 week high is 45.25. Next question is on Vineet Labs. Vineet Labs current price at 85.10 and first resistance placed at 100.45 and second resistance placed at 112.20 and first support is at 71. Second support is at 61.70 and 52 week low is 44 and 52 high is 124 rupees. And this we finished the session by this. And please like, share. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell icon for the new updates. Comment down below if any new queries for the next session. Follow me on Twitter, link provided in the description.